Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Hub. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting, jaw-dropping supercars on the planet, the 2025 Ferrari Daytona SP3. If you're a fan of iconic design, cutting-edge performance, and Ferrari's legendary engineering, this car is going to blow your mind. The Daytona SP3 isn't just another Ferrari, it's an instant classic, a car that's both a homage to the past and a glimpse into the future. Let's start with the design. The Daytona SP3 was inspired by Ferrari's iconic 1960s sports prototypes, and you can see that influence everywhere. From the sweeping curves to the low, aggressive stance, this car screams speed even when it's standing still. The sleek, aerodynamically optimized body isn't just about looking good, it's about making the most of every ounce of performance. Ferrari's design team has masterfully blended retro cues with modern elements, giving us a car that's as futuristic as it is nostalgic. Now let's pop the hood, or rather, let's talk about what's underneath that breathtaking exterior. At its heart, the Daytona SP3 is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering an insane 828 horsepower and 514 lb-ft of torque. This engine is a masterpiece in itself, capable of revving up to a screaming 9,500 RPM, and it's all about pure, unfiltered performance. No turbos, no hybrids, just raw power. It's the most powerful naturally aspirated V12 that Ferrari has ever built, and it's a reminder of what makes Ferrari, Ferrari. When it comes to performance, the numbers speak for themselves. The Daytona SP3 rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.85 seconds and can hit 124 mph in a mind-blowing 7.4 seconds. And for the purists, it's rear-wheel drive, which means it's as much about the driving experience as it is about straight-line speed. The Daytona SP3 is fitted with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, delivering lightning-fast shifts that make every gear change feel like a burst of adrenaline. Every aspect of this car is built to make the driver feel like they're part of something extraordinary. One of the standout features of the SP3 is its carbon fiber tub, borrowed from Ferrari's expertise in Formula One. This makes the car incredibly light and stiff, optimizing both speed and handling. The car weighs just over 3,200 pounds, making it one of the lightest Ferraris with this level of power. And because it's Ferrari, they haven't just left it at that. The SP3 has active aerodynamics that adapt to conditions in real time, ensuring maximum downforce and stability when you're pushing it to its limits. Inside, the Daytona SP3 combines luxury with race-inspired minimalism. You've got bucket seats that hug you in all the right places, a digital display that puts all the essential information at your fingertips, and a steering wheel that feels like it was lifted straight out of an F1 car. The attention to detail is phenomenal. This is Ferrari craftsmanship at its finest. In terms of exclusivity, the Daytona SP3 is a part of Ferrari's Icona series, meaning it's incredibly limited. Only 599 units will be made, each tailored to its owner's specifications. This isn't just a car, it's a collector's item, a piece of Ferrari's legacy that's already destined for the history books. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Ferrari Daytona SP3 isn't just a supercar, it's a statement, a tribute to Ferrari's past, and a testament to what makes Ferrari an icon in the automotive world. It's fast, it's beautiful, and it's everything you could want in a Ferrari. Thanks for tuning in to Motor Hub, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. We've got plenty more reviews and deep dives coming your way, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.